Well, turning now to the coronavirus pandemic in our state.
The new concern tonight, our area could become the next coronavirus hotspot in this country.
There are now more than 2,700 coronavirus patients here, and we have just learned of a sixth death at Pleasant View Nursing Home in Carroll County. And one of the newest patients, a Harford County Sheriff's Office employee who has tested positive.
We have extensive team coverage tonight. Let's begin with WJZ investigator Mike Helgren and the new information from the governor. Mike.
Rick and Denise, a big issue tonight is nursing homes. At least 60 of them around the state have one case. The worst outbreak is at Pleasant View in Carroll County, where you just reported on that additional death. The deputy health secretary says a lot of staff members are unwittingly bringing coronavirus inside because they don't have symptoms yet. So now they're required to wear masks. Also, she said if someone has to be tested, it has to go through the state lab so the results come in faster.
We now have widespread community transmission. This virus is everywhere, and it is a threat to nearly everyone.
Maryland has not yet flattened the curve. This new chart from the state shows the continuing rise in cases. The state recorded 2,758 cases and 42 deaths.
Sadly, we have 5 infants who have been infected, including a one-month-old. The reality is that this disease does not discriminate.
The governor revealed there are now cases at 60 Maryland nursing homes and long-term care facilities.
What we are seeing here in Maryland and across the country is clear evidence that people can be infectious, that they can transmit this virus even before they develop symptoms.
And the deputy health secretary announced workers at these facilities must wear masks.
The masks must be on to intercept that transmission.
The son of a nurse at Future Care Canton Harbor tweeted a letter this week to the governor. He worries about his mom. She told us initially she was instructed not to wear a mask and protective gear was in short supply. Future Care, which has confirmed cases at 2 other Baltimore facilities, says they are following state guidelines and the safety and well-being of staff is their primary concern. Do you feel safe when you go to work?
I don't. The mask is not enough. It's just scary. You don't know each day what's going to happen.
And corrections officials confirmed 17 cases in Maryland's prison system, including 3 inmates and 4 officers.
We've required temperature checks and health checks for all of our staff at every entry point into our facility.
Governor Hogan also announced an executive order to temporarily stop foreclosures and repossessions.
We're also facing another huge battle against catastrophic economic collapse.
The governor said there's still a need for more ventilators in the state, and initial construction is complete on a makeshift hospital at the Baltimore City Convention Center to handle an expected surge in patients. The governor also has asked people stop and reflect or pray at noon on Sunday for those who have died, those who are sick right now, and those on the front lines who are fighting this illness. Reporting live in North Baltimore, Mike Helgren, WJZ.
All right, thank you, Mike. Now, to put all these new numbers in perspective, 2 weeks ago, we had 149 cases here. Last Friday, we saw a massive jump to nearly 800 cases here. Now, that has more than tripled in just the past week.